Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chimex here again, and on today's episode guys, we'll be trying different street food in Cameroon. If you love this content, please do not forget to subscribe and like. I'm begging guys. Alright, let's go. The first street food is gonna be cocky beans. That's the Mbo tribe, right? I know this. So we are in Tico and street 6 to be precise, and the first street food we're going to be trying is cocky beans. So remedy for you, cocky beans na die guy. Cocky beans is a pudding made with black-eyed peas, one of those vegetarian cuisines which is very hard to resist. It tastes so delicious and it can be served with ripe plantains, boiled to be precise, or yam, cassava, or any chewable starch. Our next stop is Bonaberry, and here we'll be trying pork meat. Pork meat is one of the most popular street foods in Cameroon because it is everywhere. It's like empty, and everywhere you go, you must see pork meat. A piece costs 800 francs, and other parts such as intestine cost 1,000 francs. It has been chopped into little cubes and fried with ripe plantains or unripe plantains. When I was in Yaoundé, I always preferred my pork meat with baton. You know, Yaoundé people, they eat baton with everything. And when I got introduced to baton and pork meat, guy, I stuck to it. The next journey in search of our street food is taking us to Dado. Here we're going to discover this delicacy known as roasted hunchback. This is one of the most sought after parts of a cow by butchers. One, it is very expensive, and one of the most tasteful parts because it's an even distribution between fats and meat. When you eat, it just melts in your mouth. Guys, you need to try this. A portion starts from 1,000 francs. The next street food I'm bringing is known as roasted fish, our popular roasted fish. No one does roasted fish better than a Cameroonian lady. Guys, we are at Bazanava where they serve you with the freshest of them all, roasted fish. Here you buy your fish and it's been handed over to someone for cleaning and roasting as well, and these are the final products. Fish here ranges from 2,500 right up to like 15,000 francs, and that's just for the fish alone without roasting and compliments. Gambas on the other hand, which is known as prawns, ranges from 3,500 for half kilo to 6,000 for a full kilo, and roasting is 1,000 francs for a pack of gambas. Yep, so yeah, it is. Are you enjoying the episode so far? Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Please just take this 1 minute and hit the like button. I'm begging. Thank you very much and welcome to the family for those who just subscribed. You guys know the street food tour won't be complete without me showing you guys Cameroon suya. You need to have a taste of Cameroon suya, especially when well chargé with bread, boulangerie bread. Guys, it's dope. Street food. On met ça bien.
Yes, awesome. I will do that. Remember, with the best services. Our children now is Chame la côte.
The last street food for today is Eru. Eru is a dish from the tribe of Bayangi Manyu division, and it is one of the most favorable or most delicious meals from Cameroon. It is loved by people within the country and out of the country as well, as especially my Nigerian brothers and sisters. When they come to Cameroon, they fall in love immediately with Eru and they compare it to ukazi, or afang soup. It is sold in high-end restaurants as well as the street vendors. So Eru tops it up for me. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Cameroon has a wide varieties of street food. I won't be able to name them in one video, but stay tuned for my street food tour coming soon. So please do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. This is your boy Chimex and I'm out. Peace.
Street food gone there.